Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others keep struggling no matter how hard they try? You see, it's not just about hard work. It's about habits, but not the habits you see in motivational videos or self-help books. Today, we're going deeper into the habits millionaires never talk about, the quiet, invisible routines that shape their success from the inside out. Let's begin. Millionaires don't think about this week or this month. They think in decades. While most people chase instant gratification, millionaires are patient strategists. They know wealth is built slowly, through consistency and time. They ask questions like, how will this decision look 10 years from now? Not how will this help me today? Their focus isn't on what's trending, it's on what's lasting. This long-term mindset gives them peace. It gives them clarity. And that's why they rarely rush. They move with purpose. Habit 2, they say no a lot. Millionaires value one thing more than money, their energy. They say no to distractions. They say no to unnecessary meetings. They say no to drama, gossip, and fake urgency. Because they know every yes costs time, and time is their most expensive currency. To them, focus is sacred, and every time they protect it, they multiply their results. Habit 2-3, they spend time in silence. You'll rarely see them always talking. They listen more than they speak. They reflect before reacting, because silence is where the mind resets. In that space, they hear their intuition. They notice patterns others miss. They use silence as a tool to think deeper, to make better decisions, to understand themselves. It's not weakness, it's wisdom. Habit 2-4, they obsess over efficiency, not busyness. Millionaires don't brag about being busy. They brag about being effective. They automate what they can. They delegate what they don't enjoy. And they focus on the few actions that truly move the needle. If something doesn't create progress, they remove it. They don't chase perfection. They chase progress. And that's why they accomplish in 1 year what others can't do in 10. Habit 2-5, they read, but differently. Yes, millionaires read, but they don't just consume information. They apply it. They don't read for entertainment, they read for transformation. A book to them is not just words, it's a conversation with a genius. They highlight, pause, reflect, and then they act. They understand that reading 10 pages and applying one idea is better than finishing 10 books and doing nothing. Habit 6, they understand energy, not just money. Here's something they never say out loud: money follows energy. If they feel drained, anxious, or desperate, they step back. They protect their energy before they protect their bank account. They know you can't make wise financial decisions from chaos. You can't attract abundance while feeling lack. So they recharge, they meditate, they spend time in nature, they cultivate inner calm, because calm is clarity, and clarity leads to wealth. Habit 7, they choose people carefully. Millionaires don't just network, they curate. They know one powerful connection is worth more than 1,000 superficial ones. They surround themselves with thinkers, with doers, with people who challenge them, not comfort them. They build relationships based on value, not validation. And they know when to walk away, because not everyone deserves access to their mind or their time. Habit 8, they plan their days the night before. Before they sleep, they already know their next move. They don't wake up and wonder what to do. They write down the top 3 priorities, not 10, just 3. They start their mornings with intention, not chaos. And because they plan ahead, they win the morning. And if you win the morning, you win the day. Habit 9, they practice emotional control. Money follows emotional maturity. When things go wrong, they don't panic. They pause. They analyze. They've trained themselves to respond, not react. You see, emotional control is a superpower. While others waste energy on anger or fear, millionaires stay grounded. They understand that emotions are signals, not instructions, and that control creates confidence. Habit 9, they value privacy. Millionaires don't show everything. They keep their moves quiet. They don't announce every goal. They don't flaunt every win, because they understand power grows in silence. The less people know, the less they can interfere. They live by one rule: work hard in silence. Let your success make the noise. Habit number 11, they reflect every night. At the end of the day, they ask themselves, what did I learn today? Where did I waste time? What can I improve tomorrow? This nightly reflection compounds over years, and it turns ordinary days into extraordinary growth. Conclusion, motivational close. So the habits millionaires never talk about aren't about showing off. They're about showing up. They don't chase money. They attract it through discipline, clarity, and control. They play the long game. They move in silence. They master themselves before they master the world. Because the truth is, you don't become a millionaire when you get the money. You become one the moment you develop the mindset that earns it. So start now. Start small. One silent, powerful habit at a time. Because the real wealth is who you become while building it.